Hello and welcome back to the DrivenDave YouTube channel. Behind me, I've got something special today. Check it out. My friends at Halo Block have been nice enough to send me these Halo Disc 2s for my Tesla Model 3, and I'm going to show you just how I installed them and how they look. As you can see, super sleek, super sinister looking. I just love it. The black, they have all kinds of different options. Check the link in the description and I'll pass along any discounts that I have available for you. And you'll help support the channel by using my link. But check this out, super cool, super solid. So let's check out the installation process. So I've done a little bit of preparation here. There's some black tape that you need to put along the rim. I didn't do a very good job, but you know, hey, just put it along the edge of the rim there. This little guy, you push it in the center, and of course, your Halo Block wheel covers are going to come with a really nice instruction booklet, so you don't have to follow my instructions here. But all you do, again, you push that in and you can see that's on there. Now you're going to hold the center, and on the right side of the vehicle you're going to turn this left, and on the left side of the vehicle you're going to turn it right. Hope I said that right. So you just kind of want to turn it till it's tight, like that. Then you're going to take your little wrench that it comes with, the Halo disc. I went the wrong way first. And there, that's on there nice and tight. Then for the Halo Disc 2 covers, those are going to come with this little washer. You remove the warning label and put that on like that. The next step in the process, you're actually going to take your wheel cover and kind of line it up with the center. And what I like to do that I think makes it a little bit easier, you want to make sure to know what direction you're turning, right? So in this case, we're going to turn left. Apologize for the motorcycle. And I do find that it's easier to start this with the wrench, actually. So you'll kind of hear it when it grabs. And once you've had a couple of good turns, you want to get it nice and snug. You don't have to like put your back into it or whatever, just make sure it's tight. Then you're going to follow that up with this little screw. So if you've ever assembled IKEA furniture, you know this wrench pretty well. This is the first time I haven't dropped it. And again, we're going into plastic here with a metal screw, so we don't need to give it all the force. But this is just kind of a safety lockdown here. It feels pretty good. Then we take a really beautiful center cap, and that's it. Turn it. You can see it's on there. While you're enjoying some beautiful drive-by footage of my car with the new Halo Block Halo Disc 2 covers on, I just wanted to add, after having these on the car for 4 or 5 weeks now, I can tell you that pretty much everywhere I go, my car is noticed. I get questions all the time, like, where'd you get your wheels? What are those? What do they do? And it really makes the car stand out. I'd also mention I have run over some enormous potholes where I thought certainly the Halo disc was gonna like come flying off, but these things are tough as nails. I can't believe it. There was one I hit last night, and I swear I hit the bump stops, and I could find no damage. So these are really pretty incredible, and they provide excellent protection for the wheels. Well, my friends, there you have it. That's how you do the installation on these beautiful Halo disc from Halo Block. Again, it's a beautiful, beautiful cover, super futuristic design. I'm super impressed with the build quality and also the packaging quality. Like, everything was packaged really well. It's a very high quality presentation all in all. And it even comes with gloves, which I should have worn to keep my hands clean. But I think you're really gonna like these. Again, check the link in the description. I'll have any discount codes and all the savings I can give you. Pick up a pair for yourself, and they have all kinds of different colors available, different styles. Personally, I like the black. It's very understated, and this reminds me of like kind of the Back to the Future Part 2 cars. Like, I mean, and I think we're already past, I think that was 2015. But in any case, like, I think it looks really slick, and I'm told this actually boosts efficiency. I haven't tried it yet, but you know, hey, if I can get a few more miles out of this old battery, I would be delighted. So there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. And until next time, stay driven.